We are going to make sure that our GitHub Pages website and link Namecheap domain name use HTTPS rather than the less secure HTTP in the browser address bar. We want visitors to our site to have a secure browsing session. Log into the dashboard of your Namecheap account. Find your domain and click on the Manage button. Then click on Advanced DNS. DNS stands for Domain Name Server, and it's like an address book for the internet. You will see some existing A records and a CNAME record. We need to add new records and delete these existing records. Click Add New Record and choose A record. Type the @ mark for the host and then type the following IP address: 185.199.108.153. Then click the checkbox. We will add 3 more A records. Use the @ mark for the host on each one. Then add the following 3 IP addresses: 185.199.109.153 and 185.199.110.153, and finally 185.199.111.153. You may notice the pattern that only the third number changed in each IP address. These 4 A records are what GitHub Pages requests. Now we can remove these top 2 A records, leaving only the A records we entered. Click the trash can icon to delete each one. Now we can add a new CNAME record. Select CNAME. For the host, type www. For the target, type your GitHub username.github.io. So in this case, mutonaauthentun.github.io, then click the checkmark. After creating this CNAME record, delete the previous CNAME record. After you complete the changes, your DNS should look like this with 5 records, 4 A records, and 1 CNAME record. Of course, yours will have your GitHub username. This will take a few minutes to update and up to 24 hours to update in some cases. Once it updates, check back at your GitHub account. Navigate to your first repository. Go to the settings of the repository. Scroll down to GitHub Pages. Make sure there is no www here, and then check the box that says Enforce HTTPS. Then go back to the browser where you have your domain loaded with your index page. Reload the page. Oh no! You will likely get a security warning saying that it is not safe. That is because you previously loaded the HTTP version and now are trying to load the HTTPS version with a new certificate. To check to see if the HTTPS is working, you can use a different browser and load your domain. It should load with the padlock and HTTPS. To fix your current browser, you can clear your browser cache. Once the browser cache is cleared, reload your domain name and you will see Hello World, and it will have the HTTPS and security padlock in the address bar. Now your website is secure. Now that we have a place to host our website and a domain name, we're going to set up our web development environment in the next video.